Introducing the Manatee Pool, our mesmerizing take on the evergreen kidney-shaped design. What makes it even more elegant? The beautifully curved entry steps in the shallow end. It's a treat to the eyes and a comfort to the feet. Dip into the Manatee's pristine waters and experience the joy of its fun yet modest deep end, which is just 5 feet 10 inches. Perfect for those who prefer the perfect blend of adventure and safety. Now, let's dive deeper. The unique design features an 8 feet deep and a spacious basin made to host numerous swimmers. Hosting a summer pool party? Your guests will absolutely adore the expansive play area we've incorporated into this fiberglass pool shape. And the best part? It comfortably fits into our medium-sized fiberglass pool category, making it perfect for most backyards. So, are you ready to make a splash this summer? Contact us to get in touch with one of our dealers. We'd love to give you a free estimate today. Let's make this summer unforgettable. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.